Hi everyone, my name is Dilpan Bagrawat and today I will be talking about AI-based hiring system. So basically it is a critical evaluation of it and we will look at how these systems are transforming recruitment, their strength, limitations, literature review, evaluations and some recommendations. Introduction. So basically, this presentation examines how AI-based hiring systems and their role in the modern business environment. So these systems you basically use artificial intelligence to automate or to make the recruitment process faster. And these systems basically include the resume screening, candidate scoring, and the video interview assessments. And these systems are also widely adopted by enterprises environment to basically tackle the uh, traditional methods and which were taking more time for the recruitment. And for example, like Unilever, Hilton, and IBM uses tools like HireVue and Parametrics to speed up their hiring process and also reduce the human bias. So the task and problem of this system basically, so first we will talk about the task. So these systems are basically designed to take over the repetitive requirement recruitment steps that you can say maybe such as resume screening, skills assessment, and interview scheduling. So these tasks consumes a lot of time when they are done manually or with the help of the traditional methods. So if we use AI in those steps, that will basically help us to streamline the overall process and help HR team to focus on more strategic and people-oriented tasks. So basic problem they solve is that this it is quite clear that traditional hiring methods take more time, and so AI system promises to speed up things up and bring more fairness into the process. And so in the literature, so basically AI dramatically improves hiring efficiency. So for example, that Unilever used HireVue to reduce hiring time from 4 months to just 4 weeks, and accuracy has also improved as well when we use AI in hiring systems. And also, while I was searching, I found that a study on ResearchGate in 2023 found a 43% improvement in screening performance using AI tools, which is a very huge increase in the improvement percentage. And also from a socioeconomic perspective, we can say that these tools help shift HR teams away from the administrative to task and allowing them to focus on strategy and candidate experience. And also one of the major concern is bias. So as in one of the report which I mentioned at the last in the research, uh, tells us how when Amazon used AI, so it basically penalized them as the resume contains the word women's, and that basically showed that the bias in the training data can carry over to the system. And this is basically there in the many of the research paper when I was doing my research and when I was making a report or the presentation about it. So, and also one of the major concern is transparency also. As you can see in the picture also, the bias can emerge at different steps. So you can say from the data collection to the screening and also in the final selection also. So this you can say basically highlights why the AI fairness is not just about the algorithm but the entire recruitment pipeline. And also AI has a lot of limitations also. It's one of that its success heavily depends on the quality of the training data and regular audits. So yeah, there are many limitations that I will talk about further in the slides. And so this slide basically provides a critical evaluation of HR hiring system using the five key research-driven criteria that are effectiveness, cost and scalability, user experience, security and ethical implications. And first, let's talk about the effectiveness. As you can say that, and I've also talked previously that AI offers consistency and it helps in the data-driven shortlisting, and which also further helps in improving the hiring decision. And when we talk about the cost and scalability, as AI is one of the strong in it, and also some of the small scale industries are also using now AI based hiring systems, and it also helps in reducing the recruiter workload. And when I was researching about the user experience, I found that it's really a mixed one, as recruiters benefited, but the candidates often feel the process is impersonal or unclear. And also in terms of security, as storing biometric data like video interview raises privacy and compliance risk. And ethically, if not monitored, AI can reinforce bias also. And when we talk about strength and weakness of AI hiring system, as AI really shines, AI system really shines when it comes to speed and scalability, and they can also reduce bias if the data they are trained is not fair. But the weakness include the risk of algorithm bias, lack of transparency, and the inability to assess things. And based on the evaluations, here the like I found out the three practical research based backed recommendation, which is first conduct a bias audits using tools like IBM Fairness 360 to catch discrimination early. Second, use explainable AI to improve transparency and build trust with candidates. Third, you can say adapt a human AI hybrid model when final decision involve human oversight. And to conclude, I will say that AI hiring system offer clear operation advantage, especially when you say in terms of speed, scalability, and data-driven decision making. And the companies, and it's now being used in the higher companies like IBM, Unilever, Hilton, that have successfully used the system to streamline recruitment and reduce human bias. Often there are ethical challenges, like there are challenges in each and every system if you try to use it, but there are issues in this also, such as algorithm bias, lack of transparency, and data privacy, which must be addressed proactively through regular audits and regular compliance. And these are all the references I've used, and from the research paper also I've used the diagrams and all. Thank you.